Hi again, Paul Turner from Zynet, sharing a new cyber safety tip. How do you know if your details have fallen into the wrong hands? You won't always be aware. It's often not obvious. You can check to see if your details have been compromised. Access this link, enter your email, click the button to refresh the screen and see your potential threats. If you use the same passwords to log into any of these, it is critical to update your passwords immediately. Use a password manager like LastPass and make sure you have multi-factor authentication to keep your data safe. Subscribe through the website haveibeenpwned.com and you will be notified if a breach occurs. Also, check how safe your password is by entering it in here. See you next month for your new cyber safety tip.